Tila ain't gonna make it. She's stuck in the middle. You're doing great, sweetie. Yeah. You're doing great. What's up, DIY babes? Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this vlog. I look like absolute trash right now because I just spent 6 hours on a flight. I have no makeup on and I am so greasy. I'm like an oil slick right now, but it doesn't matter because I'm in Hawaii. I'm so excited. I just got laid and I just got to the room and holy crap. Okay, so I'm here with Tarte, a Trippin' with Tarte trip. I'm sure you guys have seen all of your favorite YouTubers go on a Tarte trip. And your girl has never been on a Tarte trip. It's my first one and I am just like, I'm shook. Your girl is shook already. Oh my gosh, definitely not gonna get that close to my skin with the state that it's in right now. There is so much stuff in the room. I just checked in and I literally took 2 steps in the room and I was like, oh my god, I have to vlog this because there is so much and I don't even know what to do with myself. I wanted to record my reaction because there's literally so much. I can't even speak, I'm so overwhelmed. Tarte is spoiling the crap out of us. Holy crap. Okay, let me just show you what it looked like when I walked in. I'm sorry, the lighting is terrible right there. Okay, oh my god. I'm still seeing new things as I like turn around. Okay, walk in and there's all of this stuff set up. Oh my god, you had me at Aloha. This is so cute. Oh my gosh, is there glitter on those chocolate covered strawberries? This is so cute. I am literally dying. Holy crap. And they actually have clothes in the closet. Like, are you kidding me? They have outfits. They packed me outfits. Are you kidding me? As if I didn't overpack enough. They put more things for me to wear. I'm only here for 3 days and I packed probably at least 20 outfits. Ooh, this is cute. Oh my gosh, this is really cute. Wow. Okay, bathing suit options. Ooh, I don't think I have this. What this? Okay, so there's basically every Tarte product ever here. Ooh, what's this? I don't have this either. Is this a bronzer? Huh? You know what? We'll figure that out later. A Tarte sweater, a pineapple fanny pack, a tartlet jean jacket, a hat. Ooh, what is this? Is this a camera strap? This is so cute. Wait, I actually love this. Some workout pants. Ooh, shape tape. Ooh, beauty blender. I actually forgot my beauty blender. This is perfect. Love this. And also can always use a new foundation brush. Heck yeah. And then look at the bed. Are you kidding me? Is this a heart with blushes? I'm gonna die. I'm dying. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm dying, y'all. Ooh, it's sussy. Okay, so jammies. Got 2 jammies. Oh my god, are you kidding me? Are you kidding me right now? Look at all this stuff. What am I gonna do with all this stuff, guys? You know what? I think I'm gonna have to do a giveaway after I get home from this trip. And that's if I can get everything home to begin with, because this is a lot. I'm overwhelmed. Oh, these are soft. These are really soft. Oh my god, every lip color ever. I actually forgot to bring all my lip stuff. I'm not entirely sure how that happened, but now I've got an option for every single hour of my entire trip. I am so overwhelmed right now. Oh my gosh. Thank you, Tarte, for sending me on the most amazing Hawaii trip of my entire life because this is great. We haven't even done anything and I'm like ready to go home because I'm happy. Also, I have a coupon code for you guys to use. It's 20% off everything, including Shape Tape, which is my favorite concealer in the entire world. Now through March 10th, use code laurDIY Tarte for 20% off everything. So thank you, Tarte, for that. Ooh, also, I didn't show you guys the view. Let me show you the view. Wow. Wow. Mountains, ocean. Hello, fish. Hello, Hawaii fish. I forgot that I just like haven't gone to the bathroom yet. Ooh, Sugar Rush. Cute. Oh my god. How am I gonna get you home? How am I gonna get all this stuff home? I'm so stressed. In the best way, but like, ooh, this is cute. I haven't been on vacation in so long. Oh my god, this is what I call a 30-minute glow up. Hair, greasy, goes directly into a slick back ponytail. If you ever need a hair hack for greasy hair, you get a ponytail weave and a lot of hairspray. Like so much hairspray. Woo! Okay, so next on the agenda is a sunset catamaran, whatever that means. My ponytail weave and I are officially on a catamaran. I look like I'm just like floating in the water, but we're on the cutest little boat right now. We're doing dints, I think, and it's so nice. Guys, I feel like it's been so long since I've been on a proper vacation. So many of my friends are here. Manny's here, Rosanna's here, Tila and Morgan are here, and I kind of had no idea who's gonna be here, but it ended up being a surprise and it was so fun. This is also low-key terrifying. You can walk on it. Okay, I feel like my feet are literally too small for this and I'm just gonna slide right through and go straight into the water. Absolutely terrifying, but so fun. Here's our boat. Oh, it's so pretty. Oh my god, we're speeding up. I gotta get off this. I gotta get off this. Good morning, guys, and happy day 2 of Hawaii. There is like this little cove part of the beach. It's like not really the main stretch, but it's on the resort still. And there is a massive turtle just chilling here. And I'm not gonna get too close because obviously he's like a wild turtle just living his best life here, but he's so cute and so massive and just like randomly chilling here. Hello, Mr. Turtle. And hello, Mr. Snorkel Man in the background. He's so big. Okay, I'm gonna zoom in so I don't have to get too close. Hang on, stand by, stand by, stand by. Hello, Mr. Turtle. I feel like he could definitely use some of the Tarte skincare routine maybe. We can soften out those scales, Mr. Turtle. Wow, he is chilling. Why does this turtle remind me of Moose a little bit? I am in actual heaven right now. Like, look at this view right here. Look at this view.
I was like, what view?
I get this view. Ooh. We've got.
That's good.
Got edamame, popcorn, shrimp, guac, and chips. It's 11 a.m. We have a whole day of this. Good morning, guys, and happy Tuesday. Oh my gosh, guys, I made a very large mistake yesterday. I did a little bit of sunscreen, you know, when I first woke up, but not enough. My back right now is just red. It's just absolutely, completely like, what is that? So I'm in rough shape. I've been aloeing and the bottom half is fine, but this is not fine. My back is not fine. Anyways, I just finished getting ready. Tarte is doing a new product launch. I think it's a foundation. I'm super excited. So we're about to head downstairs to meet the Tarte group and go to the new product reveal. But before that, I've been meaning to kind of chat about this, and I don't want to make it a big deal because I don't think it is a huge crazy deal. So I wanted to confirm that yes, I am dating someone, and you'll probably see him on my Instagram from time to time on stories, maybe posts. It's been 6 months, half a year since the breakup and since all the crazy drama ensued. I honestly did not know if I was gonna survive an online breakup. Holy crap, that ish was rough. So anyway, it's been half a year, which is kind of crazy to think about, but it's been a hot minute, and I just wanted to kind of clarify and also just like let you guys know that having a private relationship doesn't mean that I'm hiding things from you guys, because obviously you guys know so much about my life, like my anxiety and, you know, my family. It's just that I won't be vlogging the relationship and vlogging, you know, our time together and our travels together, and or doing, you know, boyfriend tags or different just like boyfriend related videos on my YouTube. I've just decided that, you know, being in a relationship and finding love is something that I take so seriously. I would never want outside opinions to jeopardize that, because, you know, it's something that I do really want and I do really want to try hard at. And you guys have heard me talk about this a few months after the breakup as well, so it shouldn't really be too much of a surprise, but I did just want to confirm that because I don't want you guys to feel like I'm hiding anything from you. I'm just so happy right now, and I feel like I just have a whole new energy about life. Even my vibes are different. My aura is probably like a new color or something. And so I just wanted to let you guys know that yes, I'm dating someone, that yes, I am so happy, and yes, he treats me so incredibly well. I swear a few of you guys are like freaking detectives, and y'all have been kind of piecing this together for the last month or so, and most of you guys have been really supportive so far, so thank you now and in advance for all the positivity, because I know you guys just want the best for me and for me to be happy. And to be completely honest, I planned to stay solo for a very long time, but I think after you heal, sometimes things just kind of fall into place, or, you know, fall into your lap, and everything happens for a reason. And you guys know that I kind of live by that little mantra, so I found myself here in Hawaii with a wicked sunburn. That's it. I'm happy, and I'm excited to go see the next Tarte product launch, and I think we're going ATVing today. I'm like super sunburnt, so I'm gonna go find some like SPF 90,000, but other than that, I'm excited for the rest of the day. Oh my gosh, I was right. The new foundation. I'm also like deadass like not being paid to do this. It's just like I'm so excited, and like with a view. New foundation with a view, and they have the cutest little chair. Rose in it right now doing a little photo shoot. I just got my pic. Look at this cutie! I literally just like moved her legs like a doll to make them in like a good position.
My first time Instagram modeling. She's teaching me the way.
I'm dead. Look how cute this setup is.
You look so cute.
You look so cute. Wait, look at your matching game with your little helmet and your jacket.
I know, that's
so
weird.
Cute.
Didn't know that was gonna happen.
Didn't plan that, but it's fine. So we're about to go zip lining. We're supposed to be doing like a little ATV ride up the mountain hill slope, and then we zip line down. I haven't been zip lining in a few years, but I'm excited. I kind of wish it was sunny so the views would be better, but also I'm so sunburnt that I'm so happy that it's not sunny, but also zip lining's a little scary. I haven't been in so long. It's raining, but my hood fits over my helmet, so that's great. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm like, okay. I'm ready, I'm not ready, I'm not ready. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Ah! Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. I'm getting stuck in the middle. This is not good. Oh no, they're gonna have to come get me. Go Megan. She's stuck in the middle. my god, look at this technique of this guy running Tila back. Also, Tila had like a literal panic attack. Tila like almost pooped her pants on the first one, and like for her to get stuck. You're doing great, sweetie! Yeah. You're doing great! Okay, I did a terrible job vlogging that one. This is zipline number 3. Zipline number 1 was just pure terror, and there was absolutely no chance of a vlog happening. But zipline number 3, I got this. I got stuck, and now the guy has to come out and save me. I just laughed so hard at Tila for it to happen, but now it's happening to me. Woo! I'm sorry, I got stuck. This is how they get you back. Oh, my chest is so burned every time I turn the camera on. I'm like, oh no. It's not good. It's not good. It's not good. Anyways, made it back from ziplining. I'm so sorry that my footage is absolutely terrible. I actually got stuck again in the middle of the next zipline. It was even longer than the one that I got stuck on that you guys saw that I vlogged, and I got stuck again. No one needed to see me in that state. Anyways, we're headed home tomorrow, and I know it's like a pretty short trip, but honestly, like I'm kind of ready to go back and like start working again because I kind of put everything on hold just to have a few solid days of R&R. And a massive thank you to Tarte for this whole experience. This is my first time ever traveling with them, and holy crap, like they go so ham. I feel so spoiled right now. It's insane. Also, they gifted us this amazing robe that I am for sure bringing home. Also, low-key just like want to take on the plane with me because it's so soft. But I just got back to the hotel. They gave us new carry-on suitcases for all the stuff, but I'm definitely gonna be putting together a giveaway because I have so much stuff. Like even just at home, I have so much makeup and skincare stuff that can definitely go to a new home. So yeah, look out for that because that'll definitely be happening soon. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. I know I haven't been weekly vlogging as much. To be honest, I've just kind of been enjoying doing like these main types of videos for the Wednesday uploads, but let me know if you missed the vlogs. Obviously this one is much more exciting than they normally would be, but let me know what you guys like seeing on Wednesday for that midweek upload, and I will see you guys on Sunday for a Sunday DIY, and again on Wednesday for another weekly vlog. I guess I kind of have to change that outro if we're not going to be vlogging anymore. Anyways, let me know what you want to see on Wednesdays, and I will see you guys on Sunday. Love you!
I'm the DIY queen, that's the royal elite. My pretty little kingdom out here running the streets. DIY.